The Finance Information section is used to help populate the tax documents for the foreign national, such as the 8233, W4 or W8 BEN, which they may need for receipt of US income. If the entity has pre-selected certain income codes in the settings, they will all be checked in this section and the questions will relate to them. The foreign national should only answer the questions concerning their types of income. For the length of their stay during the current year, the foreign national should provide an estimate of how many days they will spend in the US. For example, Anna is a non-resident and will be in the US for the entire year except for 1 week when she returns home. In this case, Anna will enter 365 minus 7, which will be 358 days here. The system may also ask if they have their own office, place of business that is maintained by them personally for performing these services. This question will affect their application only if they had income from independent personal services. Depending on the income the foreign national gets, the system may need confirmation whether they worked at only one place or more. In the case they had more than one job, the foreign national will be required to answer some additional questions in this section, such as, is their current job the highest paying job they had during the current year? They can also provide a short description of their position.